you're never going to have a perfect place to place a ladder. There's always going to be something in the way, and you're always going to have to adapt to the situation. Grass is pretty forgiving as far as placing a ladder, and I'm going to show you why. You want the ladder, obviously, on an angle that isn't so steep that you're worried that you're going to, tip backwards when you're up there, but also not so shallow that you feel like the feet are going to slip out. On grass, we always engage these claws. And the easiest way to do that is to put the ladder kind of where you want it, and then just rock the ladder forward. And then if you step on it, it'll really sink those claws into the grass and make it really secure. On concrete, like on a driveway, the rubber feet work really good. There are certain things that are really dangerous, and that's going to be like polished concrete or decking, Trex decking material. Stuff like that, there's not really a great safe way to do that by yourself. You're probably going to need somebody to hold the ladder. But grass and concrete, like driveways and sidewalks, can be pretty secure. Like I said, grass, we always flip the feet down. Ladders, we always use ladders with adjustable feet, so you can level it out. If you need to pop this pin out and adjust the foot up or down to get it to a level position. And then I always like to test the ladder and make sure it's plumb. So once I've leveled the feet out, let's just do that right now. Looks like I need to adjust this one. So adjust it, get it in the closest hole, and then sink those feet in. And if you can kind of rock away from the wall and watch those front bumpers, if it's not even, when you lift it away, it's going to want to slide one way or the other. And this is just coming straight in and out from the wall, so I know it's in a good position. The other thing about ladders, when you're using a big ladder, it's nice to use a stabilizer or a standoff. That just gives it a wider base to lean against the wall, and it'll make it a lot safer when you're up there. The risk of tipping the ladder one way or the other is a lot less. And it also pushes you back away from the window a little bit so you can reach things easier. You're not just smashed up against the window. If we're not using the stabilizer, we always use bumpers. Those rubber bumpers help grip the wall, but they also protect the wall from the ladder scratching the finish, whatever it is.